Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the gingerbread reindeer from Adopt Me. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off on the right side and let's draw the first ear. Let's draw a curve down. And curve it back up and in. Now let's hop on top and let's draw the shape of the head. We'll start with a curve over to the left and down. And then let's curve it back in and up underneath. Now on the left side, we're going to draw the other ear by drawing a curve down and back in. And that's it for the shape of the head. Now let's hop in and draw the face. We'll start with an oval on the left for the first eye. And the other eye on the right side. Now next to the left eye, let's draw the nose by drawing a line across and a curve down underneath. And then for the mouth, let's start under the nose and let's draw a line over to the right and a larger curve underneath. And then let's add a bump inside for the tongue. Lastly, for the face here, let's start next to the eyes and let's draw a curve around and back up for the cheeks. And that's it for the face. Now let's draw the details on the ears. Let's start inside the left ear and let's draw two curves at the top and two near the bottom. And then a circle inside the middle section. Now let's hop over to the other ear. Let's draw two curves at the top here. And two near the bottom. And then in the middle, let's draw a circle. And then a curve along the top edge and one at the bottom. And that's it for the ears. Now let's hop on top and let's draw the antlers. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a curve up, around, and back down. And let's do the same thing on the right side. Now we're going to hop out and let's draw a curve up and down near the bottom on each one. And let's do one more on top. Next, let's add a circle on top of each antler. Another set on the side. Then let's hop out and let's draw another set over here. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start underneath the head on the left and let's draw a curve down and up. And now let's do the same thing, working our way across. Now top underneath on the left, and let's draw a curve down and up on the right side. And then inside for the belly patch, let's draw a curve on the left, and then hop over and let's draw another curve down in the center. And that's it for the main part of the body. Now on the right side, let's draw the tail. Let's draw a curve out, and then curve it back in underneath. Now inside the tail, let's draw two curves, and another set near the end. And that's it for the tail. Now let's move underneath and draw the feet. Let's draw a bump up on the left, and a curve across the bottom. Now let's do the same thing on the right side, a little bit lower. And then one more on the right here. And that's it for this cute gingerbread reindeer. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!